kids! Welcome to Sheng Lessons! How are you today? Today, we are going to practice reading short A sound sentences. Are you ready? Let's go! The cat sat on the mat. Again, the cat sat on the mat. Your turn to read. Very good, kid. Dad had a bad day. Dad had a bad day. Your turn to read, kid. Good job! I can clap hands. I can clap hands. Your turn to read, kid. Very good. Max likes to dance. Max likes to dance. Your turn to read, kid. Wow! You're great! The bat is black. Again. The bat is black. Your turn. Ready? Whoa, you're awesome! I had a snack. It's yummy! I had a snack. Your turn! Wow, very good! Jack has a hat. Jack has a hat. Your turn to read, kid. Well done! Mom reads to me. Mom reads to me. Your turn. Very good, kid. Max has a map. Max has a map. Your turn. You're great, kid. You did it. I love my dad. Again. I love my dad. Your turn. Great job, kid. Dad has a plan. Again. Dad has a plan. Your turn. Ready? Good job, kid. The cat is fat. Again. The cat is fat. Your turn, kid. Wow, good job. The van is black. Again. The van is black. Your turn to read, kid. Whoa, you're great. Can I have that? Again. Can I have that? Your turn. Whoa, good job. I am a fan. Again. I am a fan. Your turn. Whoa, very good, kid. The rat is fat. Again. The rat is fat. Your turn to read. Very good. Dad is mad. Again. Dad is mad. Your turn, kid. Awesome! Sam is sad. Again. Sam is sad. Your turn, kid. Very good. You're a fast reader. Can you swim? Again. Can you swim? Your turn, kid. Whoa, good job. Sam ran fast. Again. Sam ran fast. Your turn, kid. Wow, you did great, kid. Keep on learning. Bye.